Hi, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove green screen in DaVinci Resolve. So take a green screen video, go to Effect, press on Open Apex, and you get search option. Search here to 3D here. Just add this. Okay. Click on select Open FX overlay and just drag. Okay, now successfully remove this green screen, but it's not properly removed, so you need to just increase this value. Okay, now successfully properly remove my green screen. Now I'm checking full video. So look here, now successfully remove green screen properly.